There's a long line of mourners coming down our street. Their fancy cars are such a sight to see. They're all of the rich friends that knew you in the city, and now they finally brought you back to me. The papers told of how you lost your life, of the party and the fatal crash that night, of the race on the highway and the curve nobody's seen. Now you're riding in a long black limousine. When you left home, you told me someday you'd be returning in a fancy car for the whole town to see. Well, everybody's staring. Looks like you finally got your dream. You're riding in a long black limousine. Look at the eyes I watch as you ride by, with a chauffeur as we dressed up so fine. I'll never love another. My heart and all my dreams ride with you in that long black limousine. Yeah, they ride with you in that long black limousine.
Well, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner for another hour of what I call fun country music. Paul,
Yeah, song about death, that's always a fun one to start on, right?
that's a great song.
I love that song.
And you did it so well.
Well, it was except for a couple of cracked
Oh, well, that's okay. I mean,
lines here and there. Yeah,
no,
it's
that
coming
just
back.
means-
My voice is coming
That's
back.
the soul part of the singing is when
Well,
you cry a little or get a little out there. You know, it's a good thing.
Hopefully I'll hear that on the playback.
Oh, you'll hear it. It was great. And we have a special little guest artist tonight, part of the family, actually.
Yeah.
He hasn't been coming around lately. You know, Frog, I thought you were mad at us or something. We haven't seen you up here.
No, I'm just busy.
You're just busy. It's good to be busy at our age, isn't it?
Unlike me, Frog has a life.
Well, good for Frog. So we're gonna get him up here in a little bit. He's gonna jam with the band, as I call it. It's gonna be fun. He used to come down to Viva Cantina when we had of all things, blues jams.
Yeah.
And you know, Frog and I doing country music, he'd always come to me and say, "Can I do a country song?" I'd say, "Yeah, I'd love you to do a country song." They're doing all this blues stuff.
You
And-
and Pete Anderson.
Yeah, Pete was there. We had more fun. He'd get up and do just country stuff, and it was great. And the blues stuff is good too. It's a lot of fun playing that stuff. I love it. It's all good. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and he's been awfully kind to us, hasn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Jeez. So he gave us a beautiful home to hang out in, and we've been here every Sunday. And Gary Swan, and how you been? I know last week you were a little under the weather, but you're looking good today.
Yeah,
Okay, you sound good.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very good, thank you.
And-
He looks like he sounds good.
Yeah, he
and
does.
And that's what I like. I like that.
And I have to tell you that I love the shirt, and I can't go without saying I love the beanie. The hat looks good. Okay, John.
Yeah, baby.
You got a 20-minute show today? You got to go all the way out to Tarzana to play 20 minutes?
That's right.
Can't you just phone it in?
You know, it's the only thing that probably you can't phone in, and that's why I haven't been replaced yet. You know, I mean, it's a weird thing. Like, let's go back to the beginning when this hillbilly had the drum set, and we have not figured out a way to digitally, you know,
Do him.
yeah.
Artificial intelligence is too intelligent.
It's too intelligent.
That's
You
gonna
got-
lose a lot of people their jobs.
The artificial intelligence doesn't know how to dumb it down like you do.
Yeah, right. How about artificial white trash? Can we invent that?
Well, you could do that too. Anyway, so Bob Smith Toyota, and we're doing the show here at 11 o'clock, like we're going to do for a little while, because I got to be down at Mossbury Farm by 2:30, I think, and we start at 3:30, entertaining the folks and doing what we can. Okay, we're going to do another song real quick. Paul,
Yeah.
hit us with another one, and then we'll get Gary, and I might do one. We'll just go from there, and we'll get Roy up. We're going to have a party, so stick around, tell a friend. Keep pushing those like buttons and subscribe buttons.
All right, we're going to do a little jambalaya in C. This is for Gary Swan. I know he loves this song. Coming in on the 5, 55, 11. 1, 2, 1.
Goodbye, Joe, you gotta go, me and mine. We got to go on a pill down the line. Ryan sweetest 1 million miles. So I'm gonna have the fun on the vine. Yeah, John, crawfish pie, pill down low. For tonight I'm gonna see my Sherry. So I'm gonna have fish in the bayou. Swapping in the bayou, gone what you need, oh. So down we're having fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, crawfish pie, pretty gumbo. Folks around don't see my shade. Hit the tar, filthy jar, and the glue. So down we're having fun on the bayou. Yeah. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. Folk around gonna see my Chardonnay. The tar, filthy jar, and the so long having fun on the bayou. Yes, so long having fun on the bayou. Yes, so long having fun on the bayou.
Yeah. What? What?
Can I have your car keys?
Oh, yeah.
The last time I gave a woman my car keys, I never saw her own my car.
Kim's leaving.
Yeah.
Bye, Kim.
I'm gonna put Brandon in the car.
Okay, whatever you want to do. She needed to get the car keys because Brandon needs to go sit in the car for a while and just relax. I guess he must be tired, the poor kid. Okay.
Those couple of songs have been pretty exciting.
If I looked a little startled for a minute, because Kim doesn't usually talk to me during the show and ask me for things, but Brandon, you know, we got to take care of him. He's a special boy. We love you, Brandon. Go in the car, relax, okay? Okay, son. God bless you. You know what it is? It's the noise sometimes.
Yeah.
The music bothers him, you know. I mean, I don't think we play that bad, but he doesn't like it sometimes. So anyway. So yesterday, Sue and I, we go to Big Five because she comes down the nuts with me quite a bit, and those benches that she sits on, it gets hard. So we bring these little pillows, but they don't seem to work. And her back hurts because she hasn't got a backrest. You know, you're just sitting there balancing yourself. Anyway, we went and bought a little $30 jump seat thing. And I asked the guy when we bought it, I said, do you have one that has like the little hooks that hooks under the seat of the, you know, so when you lean back, you know. He says, no, we don't have any of those like that. So I grabbed what I could to help her out. And we get down there, and when we get down there, she looks underneath it, and the hooks are there. And I say, here's a guy selling something. He has no idea what it is. So I don't know how long he's going to be working there. But anyway.
Wow, probably forever.
Probably. But we got it, and she was happy. Oh, he's changing his hat. I love that. Man, that is slick. Look at him.
No, I was thinking, we
Swan,
should
look
have
at-
Dottie running around behind the fence,
Well,
like the dog in the backyard while we're playing.
if she wouldn't mind doing it, that'd be great. Maybe I can go out and buy a chicken or a hen or something, and just
Oh, how great would that be?
and just have it walking
Just have it
around.
perched right there on the
Yeah.
fence.
Put one of those bale of hays there, and
Ooh.
she'll just hang out on top of the head. Okay, Swan,
Okay.
what do we got?
I'm gonna do a song that Hank Williams stole from me.
What key?
I was very young when he stole this. E. Me.
nice, Gary. Good feel.
That was wicked.
That was wicked. Wickedly good. Everything okay with Brandon, Kim?
Yes.
Take care of the family. Keep your eyes on him. Make sure he doesn't wander off on us.
Next, we're gonna put Lloyd in the car.
Yeah. Froggy, come on up. Oh, Frog, I should say, not Froggy.
Oh, yeah.
Bob Smith Toyota is the reason why we're here. He'd give him away, but his wife won't let him.
You know, Kim bought a car from them just a couple of weeks ago, and she talked to Mike, the owner. You know, now Bob was the father. He passed away a lot of years ago, and Mike is exactly my age. We're both 80 years old, and Mike, to reinforce what I've always said, told my daughter, you know, we've known the Sorrow family for 60 years.
Yeah.
He says, I love the boys. He says, I remember them when I was a kid, and he gave it this whole story, the same pitch that I always give about the Smith family. He kind of backed it up, didn't he, Kim?
Yes, he did.
See, so I wasn't, you know, throwing any baloney out there. These people are good people, and we've known them forever. All right,
And if you go, you know, if you go shopping for a car at Bob Smith Toyota, you can. It wouldn't hurt to tell them that you know, if you watch Carmen Sardo's
That's right.
Country Corner
That's right.
every
man.
week. That'll go. See how far that goes.
No, I think you
It
get
couldn't
off.
bite.
It's not going to hurt you. Let's put it that way.
I heard.
Yeah,
I just heard.
Come
this.
and get your hands on the Toyota.
There you go. That's right.
You buy a car and you mention Carmine Sardo, you get $100,000 off the car.
That's what I heard.
That's
now,
what
I
I
don't
heard.
know. Now, I don't know if that's baloney or not,
Yeah,
but
I
that's
don't
what
know.
I think it was. Maybe I'm wrong about that.
It was at least 100,000.
Yeah,
That
something
much I
like that. It might be
remember.
more. Who knows? Okay, so what do you got there?
Okay, I'm gonna do a Don Gibson song.
Okay.
This is called Woman, Sensuous Woman. It's in D.
My favorite kind.
In D or E? Did he say D?
D and dog
Okay.
on it.
Get right into that mic so they can hear you, Frog. All right?
Well, I don't know if I'll fit in there, but
Get
I'll
on
try.
there. Try to get in it if you can.
Woman, ooh, sensuous woman. You control the world I'm living in. Woman, ooh, sensuous woman. Release my body and let me live again. Step by step, you taught me easy loving. Night by night, you caught me in your bed. My self-control was overruled by passion. I couldn't see the heartache just ahead.
That was great, Frog. That's a real deal. I love that song.
We finally found one.
Yeah, man, that's a good one.
It worked really well. You got another one?
Let's, yeah, let's do Lonesome Fugitive.
Okay.
You ain't right, boy.
You know the little,
Yeah. You want me to play the
I read about a king back in my younger days. My mama used to pray my crops would fail. Now I'm a fugitive with just 2 days. I'll run the law or spend my life in jail. And I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. And down every road, there's always one old city. I'm on the run, the highway looking around. I'm lonely, but I can't afford the luxury of having the one I love to come along. She will live slow me down, they catch up with me. For he who travels fastest goes alone. And I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. And down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway playground. Yes, I'm on the road, the highway, my home. Okay, I put in my 2 cents.
Good job, Frog.
Boy, you must have been practicing.
No, actually, I
Haven't been? You've been trying to
Probably was.
You're probably taking care of yourself, is what you're trying to do.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for coming up. Just turn it off and you'll be in good shape.
I'd come up here to see you guys. I don't care if you're playing poker, whatever you're doing.
Well, you can always play with us, you know that. I'm not gonna tell you no. You know what that means. 1, 2, 3. Old blue, broken hearted me. I'm holding to memory. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. since you've been gone. No matter how I try to be, knowing broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me. Holding to memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I play. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, baby, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Thank you, folks.
I had a custom ending on that, but you guys weren't with me.
No, not at all. Sorry.
That was a good one too.
I'll listen next time.
It would have made that song so much
So much better.
colorful.
Well, it has a lot of room for improvement, believe me,
Yeah,
the way I do it. What do we got, Paul?
There you go.
That's all right.
Mind your own business. Oh, I don't know, maybe E. Mind your own business. Let's try E.
He's a good
You
country.
can always change it if you
Yeah, what the heck?
Vamp in E. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You live my life and I'm forcing Billy, that's alright. Me and my woman got a license to fight. Why don't you mind your own business? Why don't you mind your own business? If you be minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. Hey, now the woman on the party lines and knows the only thing. Picks up her receiver and she knows it's my ring. Why don't you mind her own business? Why don't you mind her own business? If she be minding her business, she wouldn't be minding mine. she wears her hair up high. All the boys will whistle when she walks by. Why don't they mind their own business? Why don't they mind their own business? If they be minding their business, they wouldn't be minding mine. Now the people's business seems to be high-toned. I got all that I can do to mind my own. Why don't you mind your own business? Why don't you mind your own business? If you be minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. Tonk until a quarter to 3. That's my headache. Don't you worry about me. Go on and mind your own business. Why don't you mind your own business? If you be minding your business, you be minding mine. That's my business. Don't worry about me. Why don't you mind your own business?
Mind your own business.
Why don't you mind your own business?
Mind your own business.
If you be minding your business, you will be minding mine. Play it again, Tommy. Play it again. Mind your own damn business. If you get minding your business, you will be minding mine.
I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is going to satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have trucks whine. Going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is going to satisfy my mind. News from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. That white freight line is going to satisfy my mind. White freight line is going to satisfy my mind. That's how you get out of that song. That white freight line that gets away from you. Hey, I like the truck noise you made. That's cool.
No, that's all this.
That's
keyboard
all.
does.
That's beautiful stuff you got. I love that. Swan, do us one. Bob Smith Toyota, Carmine's Country Corner. I want to thank Frog again for coming up and he did 2 really nice songs this week. They were cool. We had a fun time. We're gonna do this again soon. Come on back and see us. And okay, we're gonna settle it down after all that screaming we just did and do a love song or something nice.
Anti-love song.
I might even sit down.
I've been going north you over my left shoulder. I spend most all my time searching for four-leaf clover. If you would help me chase my rainbow. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, babe. That's the music God made for the whole wide world to see. It never gets old, it only goes. Music makes me sorry. You say, honey, don't worry. 'Cause honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. Music makes me sorry. You said, honey, don't worry. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes.
Job, smooth.
No, kind of went on an LSD trip or something in the middle of that thing.
Well,
No, you can't help that
That's
stuff.
okay.
Comes back after a while.
Yeah.
Thank God.
What a bargain on drugs in those days. They come back and give you a free trip
Yeah, not
50
great.
years later.
That's good for you guys. I'm so proud of that. What do you got?
I don't know. Let's try this.
Boy,
Hope you're having fun. Don't forget to push the like and share button if you're watching us on Facebook. She will rerun this at 6 for those of you who missed the live show at 11 in the morning. You know, it's Sunday. A lot of people are at church. A lot are still sleeping in. They worked all week. And we have to do it a little early for the next few weeks because of my schedule down there at the farm, as I call it. And so anyway, 6 o'clock, she'll like restart the show. And of course, it's up there all day. You can watch it anytime you want, really. I think most people know that, but we try to keep a schedule. So we're having a lot of fun. Paul, what do we got?
Well, Tom T. Hall, I got a Tom T. Hall song, and you know, he's kind of known as the storyteller, and he
Absolutely.
tells these beautiful stories
He
in his
does.
songs, and this is not one of those songs.
Oh, wow, surprise.
I Can't Dance, key of G, G, straight eights. 1, 2, a vamp in G.
Well, I can't dance, I never could. I guess my feet don't match. I'd get out there on the floor, but I'm afraid of hurting my back. I can't dance, I guess I'm just one unfortunate few. But just for a little bit, baby, I'll come out and dance with you. Yeah, but I can't dance, feels so good. Some of us can, some of us can't, some of us wish that we could dance. I can't dance, baby, I guess I'm just one of the unfortunate few. But just for a little bit, baby, I'll come out and dance with you. Some of us can't, some of us wish we could dance. I can't dance, I guess I'm just one of the unfortunate few. But just for a little bit, baby, I'll come out and dance with you. Well, I can't dance, I never could. I guess my feet don't match. I'd get out there on the floor, I'm afraid of hurting my back. I can't dance, I guess I'm just one of the unfortunate few. But just for a little bit, baby, I'll come out and dance with you. So just for a little bit, baby, I'll come out and dance with you. Well, just for a little bit, baby, I'll come out and dance with you.
you know, I think they should have one line about stepping on your feet. I don't know, that's just me.
And I wish I knew that line.
I can't dance,
You know,
I'll
I
step
kinda
on your
remember that
feet.
song.
I don't know,
I'll look that up.
well, I just made that up myself.
You know, that's a good line. Tom was probably going to put that in, and then he decided,
forgot, yeah.
you know, there's enough words in this song already.
Yeah,
So-
gotta leave that one out.
Yeah, give 'em a
Well,
couple.
that's a far cry from Clayton Delaney.
It's a far cry
Watermelon wine and all
Or
those,
watermelon
you know,
wine, yeah.
those are, you know, boy, that's great. He had a little boogie woogie in him, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
God, I love Tom.
He also did Fox on the Run, which is a pretty cool song, too.
Did he really?
Yeah, yeah.
Jeez. Okay, you got another one, Swan?
Yes. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in.
Lonesome me.
Lonesome Me, there you go.
Okay, we got a request.
It's a song they wrote about me. In G. 1, 2, 1. Everybody's going out, having fun. I'm in school, but staying home, having fun. Can't get over how she set me free. Jazz chord, man.
All right, Paul, take us home.
All right, let's go home.
Folks, we got time for one more quick one. We're going to knock it out. Thanks for watching. Kim, we're going to have time to upload this to YouTube. We'll do that right away. It'll be on YouTube. We love you all. See you next week.
Catch it till my legs are grown. C. All the way around. A 1, a 2, a 1. Can't you tell my love's a growing? Can't
Now girl, you must be alone. I got a big, big love, not the kind to be concealed, just the kind to be revealed. It's not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. Well, I think it's time we done some walking. Think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a real big love about. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love for you. Can't you tell my love's a growing? Can't you feel it? Ain't it showing? Now girl, you must be knowing. I got a big, big love, not the kind to be concealed, just the kind to reveal. And not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we done some talking. Think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a real big love about. Not a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love. Carmen. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love. Take it home, Mark.
See you next week, folks.
Carmen, you get over to Knott's Berry Farm now.
I got about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get there. I'll be there.